Icy Antarctica is full of surprises. Meteorites fall from space and caves hide under the ice. It's a mysterious place. Scientists who explore it feel a spooky vibe sometimes. Learning more about Antarctica could change how we see this frozen land. Let's explore its secrets. The desperate chase for alien rocks. In Antarctica's faraway, frosty land, there's a place like no other on Earth. It's a vast frozen world where the ground is covered with frost and the air is very cold and dry. This unique place keeps everything very well preserved, including meteorites. One strange space rock in Antarctica stands out. Named Allen Hills, 84,001, this black fist-sized meteorite looks like Martian dirt. Scientists think a giant space rock smashed Mars long ago, launching a piece to Earth where it landed in the ice. The discovery of tiny shapes and bits that might come from living things inside the Allen Hills 84,001 meteorite in the 1990s sparked a debate about the possibility of past life on Mars. Some scientists believe these shapes could be fossils, while others argue for more evidence. This finding highlights the fascinating potential of meteorites for revealing information about the existence of life beyond Earth. Antarctica surprises again. A giant meteorite named Fukang, found in 2000, dazzles with sparkling yellow crystals like a starry treasure chest. Unlike Allen Hills, this 1,300-pound space rock likely originated from an asteroid near Mars. Fukang is a stunning reminder of the wonders beyond our planet. Antarctica's time capsule wallet. Paul Grisham was a Navy weatherman in Antarctica back in the 1960s. He worked at a remote place called McMurdo Station, which is very cold and snowy. He spent a whole year there studying the weather, and something surprising happened with his wallet. While working in Antarctica, Grisham carried a wallet like most people. One day, he accidentally lost it. The wallet slipped behind a locker and was forgotten in the cold. Luckily, the freezing, dry Antarctic air kept the wallet from getting damaged, even after many years. Decades passed, over 45 years. In 2014, workers were demolishing an old building at McMurdo Station. Surprisingly, they found a dusty leather wallet tucked away behind a locker. It was Paul Grisham's, still holding bits of his past. His Navy ID, a beer card, money order receipts for his wife, and more. Finding the wallet's owner was a tough task, but a retired Air Force veteran named Stephen Dio was determined to return it. He spent years searching and talking to people. Finally, in 2020, he found Paul Grisham, who was 91 and shocked to see his long-lost wallet. Now let's explore some amazing stories of how nature can preserve things for ages in the icy cold. Icy graves of a penguin past. In 2016, scientists in Antarctica made a chilly discovery: an ancient penguin graveyard near Cape Izar. The freezing temperatures had preserved the penguin bodies like mummies. As they dug, they found layers and layers of penguin remains. Some were even fossilized, while others still seemed almost fresh, despite being incredibly old. Scientists used radiocarbon dating to learn the penguin graveyard was unbelievably old. Penguins used this area as a breeding ground for over 5,000 years, but the last penguins left 800 years ago, possibly because of increased snowfall during the Little Ice Age. The super cold and dry valleys acted like a giant freezer, keeping the penguin bodies mummified for thousands of years. By studying these mummies, scientists can see how the climate changed, sometimes colder and snowier. This graveyard is a window into the past, showing how penguins adapted to survive Antarctica's ever-changing weather for over 5,000 years. Now let's explore the ocean depths and uncover a hidden Antarctic mystery. Exploring the depths for giant squids. The colossal squid is a giant, mysterious creature rarely seen by humans. In 2022, a group called Colossal teamed up with scientists and tour companies to launch a project to find these elusive squids in their Antarctic home. Colossal squids are the world's largest invertebrates, animals without backbones, and can grow longer than a school bus. They live in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, over 6,000 feet down. The team will use special cameras and lights to study the colossal squid in its dark ocean habitat. They want to learn about its appearance, vision, how it finds food, and even if it can glow. Scientists know very little about colossal squids, like how they use their basketball-sized eyes. This research will help us understand deep-sea life and these giant creatures' place in the ocean ecosystem. The year 2025 marks the 100th anniversary of the colossal squid's discovery. Scientists want to celebrate by unlocking more secrets about this mysterious giant. They're curious about how these squids and other deep-sea animals grow so large and thrive in such a strange environment. Let's leave the ocean depths and explore a hidden city under the ice, teeming with unexpected life. The fish with no red blood scientists exploring Antarctica's icy Weddell Sea in 2021 stumbled upon something strange. Ice fish. These odd creatures have blood that's clear, not red. Unlike most animals, they lack hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells. Amazingly, ice fish have adapted to survive in Antarctica's frigid waters without it. While exploring the ocean floor, scientists made a shocking discovery: a giant ice fish nursery. It covered an area the size of the country of Malta. The place was packed with nests, each holding up to 2,500 eggs, carefully guarded by a single adult icefish. The scientists were amazed to find over 60 million icefish nests. This makes it one of the largest animal communities ever discovered. The icefish are super important to the area's ecosystem. Lots of animals, including Weddell seals, rely on the icefish for food. In fact, almost all Weddell seals, around 90%, hunt for these fish in this massive nursery. This discovery was huge for scientists. Before finding this icefish city, they had no idea so many existed. This helps us understand the Weddell Sea food chain, where many rely on icefish as prey. Now, let's ditch this busy underwater world and dive deeper to explore hidden Antarctic mysteries. The underwater world's deepest corner. The world never ceases to amaze. In 2019, explorers found the Earth's deepest point near Antarctica, the Factor Deep. It plunges over 24,000 feet. Located in the South Sandwich Trench, the team used special robots and sonar to map it. This discovery shows how much more we need to learn about the ocean floor. Projects like Seabed 2030 want to map the entire seafloor in the coming years, potentially revealing even more hidden depths. Now, from the ocean's abyss, we shift our focus to the tiny plants that support life in this icy world. Have these Antarctic discoveries left you intrigued, or do they simply add more questions to the already mysterious South Pole narrative? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.